Hello world watchers, welcome to another Big O cooking experience. Kelly's not here today, so I am going to put together a sweet treat for her and the kids when they come home. This is about the simplest thing I can come up with, so the recipe etc will just take us all of 2 minutes, but there's quite a waiting time in the fridge a bit later and everything else. So we're going to make slow cooker fudge or slow cooker chocolate fudge. There is another fudge I'm going to do at some point with clotted cream, but right now we're going to do a chocolate fudge today. So the ingredients are dead easy. I was so excited I actually got carried away and did this without actually showing you the packets. So we've got 200 grams of dark chocolate. This is what's left of a big bar of Cadbury's milk chocolate. We're doing 300 grams of milk, 200 grams of dark. The milk to give it that chocolatiness, the dark just to give that little bit of oomph, but not too strong. I know that Kelly isn't a fan of massively strong chocolate. So we kind of mixed it. You can make it either combination you like. Half and half is good, but I've just upped the proportion of the milk slightly here. Now, this is my slow cooker. It's a 6-litre slow cooker. It's a big one, but that doesn't really matter too much. I've set it for an hour and a half. Ideally you need at least an hour. We're just going to bung it all in really. Here's the milk chocolate. That's the dark chocolate. Broken into smallish pieces. Obviously it's going to take time to all melt. Now to add that and to make it fudge, because right now it's just going to be melted chocolate, 100 grams of soft light brown sugar. Put that in. Now, the thing that makes this amazing is this exceptionally gooey stuff. I've got to be careful because as soon as I pour this everywhere it will just keep moving and come out. This is a tin of condensed milk, 390 odd grams I think they are, a full tin of condensed milk. Now the other day we did a recipe that was using the caramel, one of these, which is basically you can boil one of these up for a couple of hours and it turns to caramel, or you can buy the caramel one. But we are using purely a normal tin of condensed milk today. Get it all out because you'll need every bit of it. This is not a diet recipe, and it's certainly not for the faint-hearted. But then this is fudge. Fudge, what is it? Fudge is basically sugar and cream, etc. So that can go straight in the bin. Now, just to that, just a little bit of salt. Oh, just about a pinch. That's a pinch. There we go. Over his shoulder, all that stuff. Right. And just to add a little bit more vanilla kind of flavouring to this, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, okay? There you go, about a little bit more than that, that's fine. We call it 2. Now, that's already smells lovely. What you do now, so we've set this slow cooker on low for an hour and a half. It's already starting to melt the chocolate. Just got to keep just mixing it up a little bit until everything kind of melts and combines, and then we're going to leave it for the hour and a half, but every 15 minutes you're going to come back and give it a stir because you don't really want bits to be completely solid already done. Once the hour and a half is done, we're going to pop this into a tray. Now we'll come back and do that in a while because I've just got to sort this bit out first. So bear with, I'll see you in about an hour and a half. So everybody, we are there. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. I said it's an hour to an hour and 15. It's mainly so that everything combines and ends up in a sticky, shiny goo, really I guess you'd call it. Which if you think about it, it's what fudge really is. So, we've turned this slow cooker off now. Just giving it a stir. It's kind of cake mixy, but it's got a shine to it. It's got a beautiful shine to it. I don't think I'm going to flip this over without making a mess. But as you can see, it's got a shine to it. Okay, so just going to scrape all this up now. Use a spatula, use something non-stick obviously, and not a metal because slow cooker. And the whole point now is to get all this into a 20 centimetre cake tin. I've guessed, I'm pretty sure it's the right size. on which I have I've greased the tin and I've lined it. I've actually used cake release, which we quite often use in this house. Okay, and I've lined it with some non-stick baking parchment. So, once we got all this out, we're going to smooth it all over. Get it a nice even size. There we go. Then we're going to pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. 4 is probably about right. Once it's all lovely and cool, we can take it out of the tin, cut it into squares or into whatever shape you like. Most people use fudge, most people have squares, and the job's done. It's a great, simple recipe to make easy sweets, and with the the big C word coming along, Christmas coming, it's kind of a fun thing to do again, maybe with the kids. Obviously, it's not particularly hot in this, but just supervise that bit if they're young. And it's a particularly non-cook thing, really, I guess, in the fridge. Makes it easy. So let's just spread this out. You could also use, well, you can put nuts in it and lots of different things, but today we're just doing the chocolate one. It keeps for about 3 or 4 days. So they are saying you can do this for kind of little Christmas Eve presents or something. Cut them up into cubes, wrap them up in a little bag, ribbon on them. Very nice indeed. So I'll show you a picture of them all cut up later, but right now we're done. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. It's a lovely, easy, quick recipe today. I'm going to smooth this out, pop it in the fridge, show you later. Like I said, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, do all those things. Come and join Callie and I here on Big OGGIE World. And if you like golf, come and see me on Big OGGIE Golf. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.